Hey there! Welcome to today's crash course on setting up your freelance video editing business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to up your game, I've got some golden nuggets for you today. But first, let's dive in. This course will be broken down into 4 parts. First is setting up your freelance video editing business, which is this video. Second and third is building your portfolio and attracting clients. Lastly, the fourth video is all about how to complete your work. So make sure to stay tuned if you want to engage in the world of freelance video editing. Throughout this journey, we'll cover everything that you need to know about navigating the world of freelance video editing. From carving your niche to pricing your services, we're diving deep. I'm Lance Aldrin, a seasoned freelancer in the video editing realm, and I've been in the trenches of this industry for 6 years now. When I was just starting, I didn't have much from doing this stuff. I just do simple editing, documentaries, school projects, etc. What I'm saying is, freelancing isn't all about rainbows and unicorns. But boy, the freedom it offers. You get to dictate your schedule, choose your projects, and set your worth. But it's not without its challenges. The hustle, the uncertainty, yet it's all part of the thrilling ride. You just have to go with the flow, be passionate, and always remember the main reason why you entered the world of freelancing. Of course, in freelancing, you have to showcase what you're good at, the niche. It's where your magic happens. Whether it's crafting corporate masterpieces or shaping engaging social media content, finding your niche amplifies your expertise and attracts the right clients. Don't just throw random stuff online to make an impression. Make sure that you show them what your expertise is to make sure people will come back to you now and then asking for your service. Now let's talk about a game changer in the editing world who is also the sponsor of this video, Wondershare Filmora 13. This software is a Swiss Army knife for video editing. With its user-friendly interface and powerful AI features, it's a go-to choice for many freelancers out there. From its seamless timeline and a vast library of effects and transitions, Filmora 13 empowers you to bring your visions to life without the steep learning curve. Plus, it's not just about the editing software. Pair Filmora 13 with a high-quality camera and a reliable computer, and you've got yourself a dynamic setup ready to produce top-notch content. Remember, your tools are your allies in this creative journey, and having a robust software like Filmora 13 can make all the difference in delivering professional-grade content. Money talks, right? Determining your rates can be daunting. But fear not, we'll unravel the mysteries of pricing your services and managing those hard-earned finances. It's all about valuing your craft while staying competitive. In my experience, I earn decent money from freelancing every month. I always save most of it, and some of it was used to upgrade my equipment. Don't worry when you're investing for yourself. Using your hard-earned money to learn new skills and acquire new equipment that could help you in freelance video editing is a very good investment. Lastly, the digital frontier. Your online presence and branding, critical pillars in today's interconnected world. We'll explore strategies to build a strong online persona, crafting a brand that speaks volume even before you hit play. Speaking of online persona, Filmora 13 can help you make your promotional videos online using their newly added templates. Just open your Filmora 13 software, create a new project, go to templates, click this drop down, and you'll see various templates, most especially these newly added templates about real estate, sports and fitness, food promotional videos, and many more. And if you want to watch other tutorials related to Filmora 13, you may access more in Filmora Creator Hub. Just click the link in the description below. And that's a wrap for today. From choosing your niche to mastering the art of pricing and branding, we've covered some serious grounds. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the freelance video editing universe. Until next time, keep editing, keep creating, and welcome to Freelancing. See you in the next video!